KRAPINA-ZAGORJE County is just a short drive away from the capital city of Zagreb. Surrounded with rolling hills, castles, thermal waters, and amazing food and wine, it's the perfect place to relax in nature. There's no better place to start off your tour than at the Neanderthal Museum in Krapina. Just steps away from here is the site that held the richest findings of Neanderthals in the world. In BELEC, you'll find one of the most spectacular churches in all of Croatia. A visit to KUMROVEC is a must so that you can explore the Staro Selo Museum, which is the only outdoor ethno-museum in Croatia. Here you will find the birthplace of the president of former Yugoslavia, Josip Broz Tito. The county is also proud to have the birthplace of the first president of Croatia, Dr. Franjo Tuđman. Veliki Tabor is the best preserved late Gothic castle in all of continental Croatia. Today it's been transformed into a museum where you can learn all about the history and see artifacts from the 15th to 19th centuries. There are several places throughout the county where you can experience thermal water, which makes it the perfect place for a fun and healthy stay. Local families have small wineries where you can stop by for a tasting and enjoy one of the most beautiful views. Cheers! Život je lijep. Life is beautiful in Zagorje.